What's up, Top Gers? It's Top G with another video. It's your boy Top G with another unboxing video. Today, guys, I'm about to unbox my package that I just got in the mail. So, let's do this. Sorry, y'all. Packaging is like complicated. So, y'all, this is my plug-in outlet. It's got like a few plug-in outlets. Sorry, I gotta clean this up later. And we got my Spider-Verse rug. There we go. Yeah, guys, so that was my plug-in outlet and my Spider-Verse rug. Hope you all enjoy it. Like, share, subscribe to your boy Top G with another video. Like, share, subscribe to your boy Top G. If you want any other videos, click down in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Love y'all to Top Gers. Peace out.